it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are at Walgreens to do our haul for this week, and it's gonna be a moneymaker transaction, which I'm really excited about. I'm also gonna break it down for beginner-friendly transaction and split it up. So your out-of-pocket is gonna be around $12 for a bunch of items today. So super excited about that. If you're interested in saving money at Walgreens this week or just kind of learning how to coupon there, definitely stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new deals that are super easy to do or giveaways that I do on my channel. Later in this video, I am going to be announcing 5 winners for coupons from thecouponmarketplace.com. So definitely stay tuned. Each of you is going to get a $5 credit. So really excited about that. I also just launched my new CVS couponing ebook. So that is the product that I have been working on for the last couple months, putting together all of the questions that I've been asked about how to coupon at CVS, putting all of the answers right in that ebook. So it's 29 pages. It's packed with information. There's tons of pictures and examples. I even have example deals, example transactions. I let you know exactly how I put it together to keep your out-of-pocket as low as possible. So if you're interested in purchasing that ebook, it will be linked below in the description box. It's $39. It's a one-time payment. You'll get that ebook and then you can always reference back to it. You can take your time and learn as you go, as slow as you want or as fast as you want, so you can start saving thousands of dollars at CVS. There's also a printable breakdown for today's haul at Walgreens. That'll be linked below in the description box as well. So I know the intro was a little bit long today. I had a ton of information to give you, but let's go inside and take advantage of some deals this week at Walgreens. Okay, so let's start our transactions. I'm going to be using this digital booster for spend $35, get $3 Walgreens cash. I'm also going to show you a scenario if you got a spend $20, get $5 Walgreens cash. So what I'm going to do is the Crest and Oral-B deal. They are $3, and when you buy 3 of them, you'll get a $3 register reward. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. The deep clean are included as well. We do have this $2 digital coupon. If you have the Crest coupons from the March PG, you can add toothpaste as well. I've already used all mine, so I'm just gonna be grabbing 3 of the Oral-B. Using 2 of these $2 off 1 coupons, the limit is 2. So that'll take off $6. So total for 3 of them is $9. We have $6 in coupons. We'll pay $3 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, making these completely free. Now we're gonna grab some Colgate. So they are on sale this week. Certain ones are $2.99. Buy 3, get $5 Walgreens cash rewards. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these Optic White right here. We do have this $1 off 1 digital coupon, and I have a $3 off 2 digital, but when I scan it, it's not popping up that it's attaching. So I'm gonna give it a shot. If not, we do have $1 off 1 coupons from the previous insert, or there's printables as well. So I'm gonna keep these on standby in case it doesn't come off, and I'll let you guys know at the end after checkout how it goes. But we're definitely gonna add this in our spend scenario transaction. Then we're gonna add the Garnier Whole Blends deal. So they are 2 for $8 this week, and we do have this $1 off 1 Walgreens IVC digital coupon. Now, keep in mind, I used this digital last week, so it's not a digital that's gonna stay on your account, even though it's available all month long. So if you've already used it like I did, then I'm gonna use the coupon booklet at the front of the store and have them just scan it from there. We also have this $4 off 2 digital coupon. That'll make our final cost just $1 each, which is not a bad deal for some hair care. Another hair care deal you can do is grabbing any one of these L'Oreal Elvive. They're just $3.99 this week, and we have a $2 digital manufacturer coupon. That would make it just $1.99. Okay, here is a hot moneymaker deal that anyone can do. So the better ones to grab would have been these, but they're all out. These ones are actually $10.99, so we don't want to grab those. So instead, I'm going to grab 3 of these here. They are $6.99. They're buy one, get one half off. And when you buy two, you'll get $2 Walgreens cash rewards. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I'm gonna give you the math based on this deal though. 2 of them would have been $10.18. We have this $5 off one digital coupon, an amazing deal. And we have a $4 printable coupon. So using both of these, we'll take off $9. We'll pay $1.18, get back $2 Walgreens cash rewards, making it free and an 82-cent moneymaker. But then you're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $3 back. It's a limit of 1, making it completely free and a $3.82 moneymaker. The other way you can do it, if you don't have a printer and you're not able to print this, you can just grab one of them at $6.79. Then you will use the $5 digital coupon. You'll pay $1.79, submit to Ibotta for $3 back, and it would still be a $1.21 moneymaker for you. So very beginner-friendly deal. Let's add this to the cart. Here's a great laundry deal. You can grab the all packs right here, or you can grab the liquid. They're also included, just $2.88 this week. And the Snuggle is down here, which is what I'm actually gonna grab. These are also included at $2.88. We have this $1 off one digital coupon, which is gonna make it just $1.88, which I think is an amazing deal for some laundry care. So I'm adding this one as well. Another laundry deal you can do is grabbing the Purex. You can get the one with the Oxy, which is a little bit smaller. They are $7.99, or you can get the bigger one. It's 115 loads. That one doesn't have the Oxy. It's also $7.99. Then we have this $3 digital coupon, which would make your final cost $4.99, which is awesome because this big boy is probably gonna last you a couple months. Okay, so I plan on using some register rewards to lower my total cost. So in order for those register rewards to be used, they have to attach to an item that does not have a coupon. All the items I have coupons on them. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the Arizona iced tea. They're just 69 cents each. That way I can use register rewards to lower my total out-of-pocket cost. So let's start putting together our transactions. So first, let's go over some beginner-friendly transactions and how you can do it if you have no Walgreens cash or register rewards to start with. The toilet paper behind this is obviously not included. I'm just using that to hold up my Oral-B. So this would be your first transaction. Total for these products is gonna be $17.97 plus taxes. Then we have the 3 off 2 digital, $1 off 1 digital. We have a $2 digital and 2 $2 coupons from the March PG insert. Those coupons are still available if you want to purchase them individually on thecouponmarketplace.com, or you can order the entire insert on BQ Savings. So both of those websites are linked below in the description box as well. So that's gonna take off about $10. You'll be left to pay $7.97 plus taxes out of pocket. You're gonna get back a $3 register reward and $5 Walgreens cash that we are gonna use in our second transaction. So let's look at that one now. Okay, this is gonna be your second transaction. This would be if you had the booster for spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash rewards. Now, what you're gonna do is have them ring up the Arizona tea first. It's actually 69 cents. That way we can use the $3 register reward we got from the first transaction to lower our out-of-pocket cost. Now remember, for a spend booster, your total has to be at that amount. So we have to be at $20 on the nose or more in product value after any Walgreens IVC coupons. We have a $1 off 1 and a $1 off 1 Walgreens store coupon. So our total has to be at least $22, sorry. That way, once those 2 coupons come off, we're still at $20 in product value for us to get the $5 Walgreens cash. So total for all of these products is gonna be $25.05. Then we have the $2 come off. We're at $23.05 plus taxes. So we're good to go. Then we have $16 in other coupons. We're gonna use the $3 register reward to attach to this. I would recommend handing them the register reward first, then any other paper coupons that you're using. you are gonna be paying about $4.05 plus taxes out of pocket. You can roll up to $3 in Walgreens cash rewards, because remember, we got $5 Walgreens cash from this scenario. So you can roll 3 of those dollars, and here's why. So now your new total after this is $23.05. You have to be at $20. So you have an additional $3 worth of product value that you don't technically need to satisfy the spend amount booster. So if you roll $3 in Walgreens cash, you'll be at $20.05, and you're still good to go. So then you are gonna wind up paying $1.05 plus taxes out of pocket, getting back $2 Walgreens cash, $5 Walgreens cash from the booster, and $3 from Ibotta for this one right here. That would make your final cost free and like a $3 moneymaker, which is awesome. So now let's go over the transaction that I'm gonna do. So this is the transaction I'm putting together because my digital booster is for spend $35, get $3 Walgreens cash rewards. So total for this is gonna be $40.41. Then we have the $2 in Walgreens IVC coupons, and we have a total of, $24 in other coupons. I am gonna be rolling $3 in Walgreens cash. Then the reason why I have the 2 Arizona teas over here is because I have some register rewards that are expiring today. So I'm gonna use 1 register reward for each of these Arizona teas. My other one, where is it? Here it is. Here's the other one I'm gonna use. So that'll take off $4.50 right there as well. So now I am gonna be left to pay about $6.78 plus taxes out of pocket. I will be getting back $3 from Ibotta, $2 Walgreens cash, $3 register reward, $5 Walgreens cash, and for the booster, $3 Walgreens cash, making my transaction as well free and about a $3 moneymaker. So let's go check out and see how everything goes. Okay, it's time to announce the 5 winners that are gonna win the coupons from the couponmarketplace.com. Instead of trying to butcher everyone's names, I figured I would just post them right here. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Make sure you shoot me an email with your full name and of course, if that's the email address you wanna use, so I can send it over to them and they can set up your account on their website. Send that email to Bree, Coupon Queen, @gmail.com. Make sure you title it that you won the coupon voucher from the couponmarketplace.com. Make sure you do that within 2 days so that way I can get you all set up. And if you have any questions on that, of course, just drop a comment and let me know. But congratulations to you guys and thank you to everyone who participated. I will be doing a new giveaway tomorrow in my Walmart Ibotta haul, so stay tuned for that. Now let's go over my transactions and how everything went at checkout. Okay, so let's go over our transaction. Just like I told you guys in the video, I needed to have them scan the Garnier coupon from that booklet at the front, and I forgot to have them do that. So they just gave me back $2 Walgreens cash at the end, and their register reward machine wasn't working, so I didn't get the $3 register reward. So he just gave me $5 Walgreens cash at the end. So not really a big deal on that, but I wanna share with you my transaction. Okay, so anytime you're buying Oral-B, and I know better, always watch them when they're scanning it that it's ringing up for the right amount. Every single time I have an Oral-B that will ring up for a different price, which is so annoying, which is probably why the $3 register reward didn't print. But it was, anyway, it was on the rack, like I showed you in the video, like I literally got the ones that were tagged in store, but I always have that issue when I get the Oral-B. So, got the 2 Bic, the Oral-B, these 2 rang in for $3. Snuggle, I got the 2 whole blends, the Arizona teas, Colgate, and this Oral-B rang in at $4.99. It's supposed to be $3. You're annoying. So then the coupons, I think every single coupon came off. The 2 Oral-B I gave her, the Bic was the paper coupon, Bic was the digital coupon, 3 off 2 Colgate wound up coming off, which is awesome. $2 Oral-B Digital, $1 Colgate Digital. These are 2 register rewards that I used. So my totals must have been off in my transaction when I was calculating it, because my final cost shouldn't have been $12.85. Now, I rolled $5 because the $2 for the Walgreens IBC coupons for the Garnier didn't come off because I didn't have her scan that. So I knew I could use an extra $2. So that's why. Don't let that confuse you. Paid $12.87 out of pocket, including taxes. Then I got back $10.37 Walgreens cash, and I got back $5 Walgreens cash from what the manager gave me. So I got back $15 in Walgreens cash and submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $3 for the razors. So in total, it's about a $5 moneymaker. As far as cash is concerned, everything, including tax, cost me about $9 today. So I still think that is an amazing deal, and I'm super happy with how everything worked, especially all the digitals working. Happy about that. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment below. Let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.